DJI has had quite a busy year, introducing a bunch of cool gadgets from small cameras to fancy movie-making drones. They've made sure to upgrade each lineup, showing how serious they are about pushing the limits of technology. But in the midst of all these high-tech goodies, there's one drone, the Avatar, that hasn't seen any changes. Today we're diving into what we know about the upcoming Avata. In a surprising reveal this morning, Igor Bogdanov of Quadro_News shared a new glimpse of the DJI Avata 2 on X, sparking excitement and curiosity in the drone community. The leaked photo, bearing a striking resemblance to earlier images, now includes a detailed background, offering a deeper dive into what the DJI Avata 2 brings to the table. At first glance, the DJI Avata 2 retains the hallmark aesthetics of its predecessor, yet upon closer inspection, several refinements become evident. The drone maintains its Cinewhoop design, featuring enclosed propellers that not only enhance safety for indoor flight but also bolster durability against unintended encounters, such as an accidental tree bump. Prominently, the DJI logo adorns the top of the drone, while the rear proudly displays Avata 2 in capital letters, signifying its place as the next generation in the Avata lineup. The Avata 2 showcases a more streamlined frame, with the battery integration receiving a significant design uplift, contributing to the overall sleek appearance. An easily accessible on/off button and LED indicators for battery status are neatly positioned at the back, aligning with DJI's recent design philosophy that emphasizes both aesthetics and user convenience. A notable change is observed in the propeller's shape, hinting at potential improvements in flight performance, efficiency, and noise reduction. The camera, securely ensconced within the drone's framework, bears resemblance to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera, suggesting that the Avata 2 might deliver superior image and video quality compared to its predecessor. Curiously, the sides of the gimbal protection and the rear of the drone feature round openings, speculated to be screw ports for easy repair and part replacement, though there's a fleeting hope these could be diminutive obstacle avoidance sensors. Practical expectations lean towards maintenance facilitation. While we have no information yet about the release date of the DJI Avata 2, these photos and Quadro_News statement that we'll see this drone soon are good indicators that the launch of might be happening in the near future.